Did you know that adding a sunroom can increase your home's value by as much as 50% of the project cost? That's right. Not only does a sunroom give you a bright, relaxing space to enjoy year-round, but it can also be a smart investment. The big question is, how much does it actually cost? The answer depends on a few key factors, and in this video, I'm breaking it all down so you can budget wisely and avoid unexpected costs. I'm Scott, a sunroom design consultant here at JSB Home Solutions. We've been transforming homes for over 45 years, and sunrooms are a great way to add space to your home for a great value. We specialize in better living sunrooms and believe in transparent pricing, so no surprises, no hidden fees. A 12x12 sunroom is the most popular size that we install here in Columbus. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about the cost of a 12x12 sunroom, from materials and installation to hidden expenses that homeowners often overlook. No matter which contractor you work with, understanding these costs will help you make the best decision for your home. So how much can you expect to pay for a 12x12 sunroom? A budget-friendly, prefabricated 3-season sunroom typically costs between $20,000 to $30,000. A mid-range custom-built 3-season sunroom with better materials and insulation usually falls between $25,000 to $45,000. And for a high-end, fully insulated 4-season sunroom with heating and cooling, the cost can go upwards of $60,000. The total cost of a sunroom depends on a few key factors: the type of sunroom, the materials you choose, labor costs, and any additional features you want to include. Each of these elements plays a role in the final price, so let's break them down. Type of sunroom. Your choice here plays a huge role in pricing. A 3-season sunroom is the more affordable option because it's not insulated or climate controlled, making it perfect for spring, summer, and fall. A 4-season sunroom, on the other hand, is designed for year-round use with more insulation, heating, and cooling, which increases the overall cost. Another thing to consider is whether you want a prefabricated aluminum or vinyl sunroom, which is more cost-effective and quicker to install, or a custom-built wood sunroom that blends with your home but comes with a higher price tag and more maintenance upkeep. Material costs. Next, let's talk about materials. The frame of your sunroom can be aluminum, vinyl, or wood, each with a different price point. Aluminum is lightweight, durable, and low maintenance, making it one of the most budget-friendly options for a 12x12 sunroom. Aluminum materials typically cost between $5,000 to $10,000. Vinyl is slightly more expensive at $7,000 to $15,000 for a 12x12 room, but offers excellent insulation and resists water damage. Wood is the premium choice for aesthetics, but it requires regular maintenance and is more susceptible to moisture damage. It costs between $10,000 and $25,000. The type of glass you choose also impacts the cost. Single pane glass is the cheapest at $3,000 to $6,000, but lacks insulation, while double pane and low E glass provide better energy efficiency. Double pane glass costs $4,500 to $9,000, and low E glass costs $6,000 to $12,000. And don't forget flooring. Tile, hardwood, and carpet are all options, but if you're looking to save money, you might be able to use the existing patio or leave the concrete exposed. Labor and installation costs. DIY sunroom kits can save you money but require time and skill. Professional installation ensures quality but adds to the price, usually running between $8,000 and $20,000. You'll also need to factor in permits, about $500 to $2,000, which is taken care of by your contractor if you hire one, and possible structural work to connect the sunroom to your home. Hidden costs to consider beyond the upfront costs. There are hidden expenses to consider. Depending on your home's layout, you may need foundation work, which can add $3,000 to $10,000. Foundation work has to be evaluated on a case-by-case basis. If you want your sunroom to be heated and cooled like the rest of your home, extending your HVAC system can cost $3,000 to $10,000. Though a more affordable mini-split system may be an option at $2,000 to $5,000. And don't forget ongoing maintenance. Keeping the glass clean, sealing the structure against the weather, and occasional repairs. So is a sunroom worth the investment? It depends on your needs. A well-built sunroom adds value to your home, provides extra living space, and enhances your lifestyle. Thinking about adding a sunroom? Start by assessing your budget and getting quotes from reputable contractors. We have created a sunroom addition planning workbook to walk you through everything you need to think about as you prepare for a sunroom addition. You can find the link to the free download in the description of this video. If you're ready to explore your options, schedule a free consultation with us today. We'd love to help bring your sunroom dreams to life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Got questions about sunrooms? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.